This is the only pepper I have growing in my garden. How much are you taking out?
2 more.
2 more? Okay.
Maybe 3. This is start dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is already start.
Yeah. Okay. I gotta get these in some soil. I don't even know what this is. This may be a flower. Look at that. The way that's growing. That's got to be a flower. Some kind of bulb I stuck in there. The cardamom is still beautiful. The leaves smell amazing, but I've had no seeds. And I don't know if that's weather or just the age of it or what. So once again, without chemicals, these heirloom roses just get covered with all kinds of stuff. And underneath, this is my little volunteer pepper, and it picked up the same problem that's affected all of my peppers.
More clean?
Once again, it's full.
Oh, full. See, bamboo.
Yeah,
Beautiful bamboo, but go to the trash.
I know. And this is all clean. That looks great. If it's gonna rain again, I want more dirt on this. Yeah.
That's good.
One more in here, okay. Great, okay. Good. Ooh, we never did anything with this. That is probably wicked. Every time we have extra dirt, we just dump it on the guavas. This is a volunteer, could be a squash, could be a borage, we don't know. So we're just giving it a chance in a separate pot. These scissors are dull. Okay. So I had 2 purple potatoes, and yesterday I thought, okay, we're planting these. I sealed them with cornstarch. There's an eye on each piece. Put in the piece with the eye up. Let's do 2 in a different pot. 5 might be too much. Okay, that's all we're gonna put in here right now, and we're gonna fix this one for the other 2. Okay, now just 2 inches, okay?
Like that?
I think so, yeah. And then next week we'll just, hopefully they'll sprout in a week and we'll put some more on. This is one of the garlic bubills that sprouted in the DE, and I'm gonna plant it in some soil. There's another one, there's another one. We have one of these lilies that's coming up right beside the irrigation pipe, and we're going to relocate that into a pot. It just can't stay here because this is where we hang the hose pipe. It's gonna get trampled. This is a volunteer.
See? In the dirt.
Okay.
Beautiful. See?
Let's put some dirt on this. Some rocks on top, and we'll be all set. I wonder if we have another one in the back. There's another one here, but I'm not going to move it. There's 2 actually.
3?
3 total, yeah. So I planted carrot and kale seeds in here 2 weeks ago. They've got tiny little sprouts. This is a carrot, and this is the kale. Oh, these are the blooms coming. Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
Oh, I can't wait to see that. There's some mildew on this tomato. There's a lot of spots on these potatoes, and they looked absolutely gorgeous until we got all this rain. pretty sure that this is a bad thing. I've got to go look it up. This may be my only squash this year. Wow, you took everything. Nothing left.
No, we need to come in here.
While Eric works on the roses, I'm going to put some bean seed in here. I know it's very early. I really don't want to take this wire off. I think I'm just going to stick it down in between. Well, I just put about 100 beans in here, believe it or not. I just poked a hole and drop those beans right down in those holes. And now I'm just going to cover them up. I just planted 5 little patches of chives in this raised bed. One over there. This bed probably had 6 inches of wood chips, and now it's been sitting here all winter. And if you just brush the top solid layer, you see that right underneath this top layer of chips, it's really broken down. Now there's still wood chips in here, but there's dirt surrounding each one. You know, it's all breaking down. And then you'll find mycelium, those little white hairs. That's the mycelium of the fungi. It encourages fungi growth to have the wood chips. These are so broken down, I really need to put more here. And I will as soon as these chives pop up.
If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.